Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can migrate your WordPress website to Bluehost. So Bluehost is one of the best web hosting, and here you can see when we go to the official website wordpress.org/hosting and we scroll down, here you can see it is officially recommended by the WordPress team. So that's why I always use Bluehost for my clients. The pricing is starting from only 1.99. So to get the web hosting, you can go to the web hosting and go to web hosting over here, and here you can scroll down and here you can see their plans. You can choose any plans. By the way, I will provide my affiliate link in the description, so I will receive a little bit of commission at no extra cost to you, which help me create these type of free videos for you. So let's see how we can get the web hosting and migrate our WordPress website to Bluehost. So here you can choose any plan. So let me just select the basic plan, and here you can add any domain name for free. It will be free with your web hosting plan. You can also skip it and later on add a domain name. So let's just skip the domain because we can add the domain at any time. So here you can see the pricing for the whole year. They are charging just 35.40. The official price is 43, but if you get it right now you will be able to get this discount, so you are saving $108. So to get it you can just click on continue to checkout, and here you can fill in your information and use any payment method and you can submit the payment. So once you make the payment you will see a dashboard like this, and here you can go to the websites. If you have got the domain name then you will see that over here, otherwise you will get a temporary domain. So they have the WordPress pre-installed. So if you don't see that, you can just click on add website and you will see WordPress like this, and here you can just click on this edit site to access your WordPress dashboard. So here we are now in the dashboard. So let me just zoom a bit so you can see clearly, and let me just go to the front end, and here you see the default WordPress theme. So now let's see how we can migrate our website to this Bluehost website. So for that you can go to your website. So here I have a blog, so I can just go to the dashboard. So we will move this blog to Bluehost and I will just add a new plugin. So the process is very simple. So you can search for backup migration. It's a free plugin and you can migrate your website using this on a single click. You can install the plugin, activate. You can skip this, and here you can just click on this create backup now, and here you will click on that's all fine, I don't care, create the backup, and it will start creating the backup. And here you can see the backup is ready. You can copy this, you don't need to download it. So just go to the new website that we have on Bluehost and go to the dashboard, and here also add that same plugin, install the plugin, activate the plugin, skip this step, and here go to manage and restore and click on super quick migration, and here enter the copied link and just click on restore now, and here you can check mark this and click on start restoring. So it is now restoring our backup. So let's wait a bit so it can complete. So here you can see the backup is now completed and you can see the success message over here, and now we can just close this window and you can visit the website, and here you can see our blog is successfully transferred to the Bluehost website. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to check out the Bluehost link provided in the description. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.